Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing good metal, remove paint and weak metal until healthy steel shows. Once done, cut a neat patch outline about 1/2 inch beyond rust to reach solid metal. Make sure to wear gloves, eye protection, and a respirator because grinding and welding produce harmful dust and fumes. Use a grinder to bevel edges so the patch seats flat. This helps penetration when you weld. Don't pause, clean edges give a reliable weld and prevent future corrosion. You shape a replacement patch from matching gauge metal, hammer and dolly to match contours and trim to a slightly oversized fit. Once the metal matches, clamp it securely and leave about a 1/16 inch gap for butt welds to allow penetration. Tack weld at 4 or 5 evenly spaced points to hold shape and avoid heat distortion. If the panel warps, stop and cool before continuing. Use short stitch welds and let cooling occur between passes so the panel retains alignment. You grind the welds flush with consistent passes and feather edges so filler bonds well. Use body filler only to smooth low spots, not to hide poor welding. Once smooth, clean with solvent, apply epoxy primer, seam sealer at joints, then top coat to restore corrosion resistance. Make sure to recheck fitment and gaps before final paint. If you see shrinking or warping, reheat the area gently, clamp it back to shape, and stitch weld small sections to relieve tension. That fixes most finish issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.